Hello everyone, my name is Carlos.
Alright, so now I'm gonna show you my frontal hair piece. Here is the SuperSkin-F frontal hair system. And this one is 6 inches by 1 inch. So let's get to applying my frontal. I'm gonna use the scalp protector, my adhesive, and then I'll come back once I'm ready to apply. Okay, so my adhesive is ready to go. I'm looking at myself in the mirror, and I'm gonna just aim for the same edge of the adhesive and just apply side to side, just like that. I'm all done. All right, everyone, so I've cut, washed, and styled my hair, and this is my final result. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.